You know, I've really appreciated the opportunity to be part of the Dialogue Forum community because Dialogue Forum stands for a very important principle, and that is that we don't all have to have identical beliefs. We have to have an appreciation for each other and to understand that your tomorrow depends on my tomorrow and my tomorrow depends on yours. And that's what I love about Dialogue Forum is that it's a coming together of different religions, different ethnic backgrounds to talk and to appreciate each other.
The other, could you, why for you dialogue is so important?
Dialogue Forum has helped enrich my experience as a U.S. ambassador because I learned from Dialogue Forum something about what it's like to immigrate to a country other than the United States. All of my views on migration have been the people who came to the United States, like my Danish grandfather. So it was interesting to see people who have come to Denmark and to see what about that is common. And I think there are a lot of experiences that are common. And this is going to continue. Migration is the history of mankind, and mankind will keep moving around. And so that makes Dialogue Forum increasingly important so that everybody can be talking and appreciating and understanding each other.